Hey guys, it's Michelle with Garden City Homestead. I have an empty box and I have been wanting for a while to find a box that is about exactly this size to make a bunny house for our pet bunny Nibbles that lives in the house with us. He loves cardboard like a maniac. And he loves to chew it and hop on it and mark it and everything you can possibly imagine. So I am going to turn this into a bunny house. So let me show you what I did. The first thing that I did was remove all of the packing tape, and where I couldn't get every little piece exactly off, I made sure all the strings from the packing tape were gone. And I went over the entire box to make sure that on every side I got all of the tape and strings. I also took all of the stickers off. So the only thing left on here is cardboard and what I couldn't get off. So all of the flaps are open, and you'll notice right now I have the flaps facing out. That's because he likes to chew on it. So I want to make sure he has plenty to get to. Now this flap in the right here, this is the back of the box. This one is going to fold under because I'm going to put this side of the box up against the cage. And I'm going to put zip ties in here so that it zip ties against the back of the cage. He lives in a big dog crate during the day while we're at work, so he's been out a lot lately. But because it's so big, he normally will take a house and like throw it all around, and it ends up like it can knock the litter over or the water. Well, it used to be able to knock the water over or the food. So this is why we're zip tying it in place. And I am going to make sure the zip ties get put on before we start trying to attach this to the cage, because I don't want to be trying to go through this and work with the cage at the same time. This is the front of the box. So what I have done is cut a hole just like this, cut a square, and I left the flap. I left this flap here because dude is going to want to chew on that for sure. And I don't think it's going to go up naturally and get in his way. So that way he'll be able to crawl in if he wants to, or hop up if he wants to. So this should be fun. Please recycle me. That's what we're doing. Well, I guess technically we're reusing you, dude. This is our beautiful pet bunny Nibbles. We have had him since he was baby. Hi. Yes, we have. He's like, bring me food. So this is what his cage normally looks like. You can see there's a paper towel roll in the back for him to play with. He's got some other toys in there, but I don't know what he did with them. They must be under the water bowl. So, and a change that we have had lately to our house is lots of pet food, and we don't have anywhere to keep it. So we have lots and lots of pet food, but we have rabbits that live outside and a beautiful dog whose name is Sparkles, named by our daughter when she was 5. Yes. Oh, actually her full name is Mermaid Sparkles. Let's not forget the first name. This is Nibbles, who was named by one of my daughter's best friend's sisters. And it is apropos because this is a nibbler. He likes to nibble on people, not things, although he did nibble on one cord, but generally he doesn't nibble everything, which is good. So after Lucy cleans his cage out, which I'm going to go get her to do, might as well start with a clean floor, then we will change or add his new house so he can play and have lots of fun. Yes, we are. We're going to give you a house, Nibbles. Yes, we are. Hi, baby. Hi. Oh, I don't have any food. No. He's like, I don't need you to pet me. I just want food. I just want food. Yeah, I need treats. I need treats. Look at all I have is rabbit food. I need some vegetable treats. Aww, he's so cute. I love you. Aww, I love you. You my baby. Yeah, you're my sweet baby. You're such a good boy. This is the back of the little house that I made him, so you can clip it through really fast. I definitely would not try to put these on when it's in the cage. That's just, you don't have fingers and they're not long enough, or you don't have enough fingers and they're not long enough for that. That's a pretty awesome house, isn't it? Yes, it is. Cage? Yeah. Oh, you're such a good baby boy. I love you. Yes, I do. I love you. So guys, I just wanted you to see he's had his little house for about a week now, and you can tell he's been having a lot of fun with it. He likes to move his litter box around to wherever he wants it to be. And he has really torn it up. But he loves it. You can hear him playing with it all night long. Sometimes it's a little loud, but he's having fun, and that's all that matters. So I hope that you make a little house for your rabbit. Look how sweet he is. And that your rabbit has as much fun as Nibbles does. Right? I love you, my beautiful baby. You're such a good boy. Yes, you are. You're the sweetest. Well, I'm gonna sign off now.
And you guys have a fantastic day. And I hope you spend lots of quality time with your pets.